September we met.
Guys, good morning! So ito na naman kami ngayon sa farm with our hand gloves. We will be composting this one. So ayan. Ang gagawin namin siyang fertilizer. Ayun. So if you can see, this is our farm. Ayan, pigiri po yan dyan. See all the cages. Yan, mga manok yan, mga besh. So ayan, this one is for breeding. Ginagawang breeding yan. Ayun yung lalaki, tapos ito yung mga babae. So yun naman for eggs and everything. So this is the farm. Ito lang tayo pag bakasyon, spending time with our mother nature. So kumusta tayo dyan mga viewers ko? Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button here. Ayan, ayan, tingnan mo. Ito, click mo yan to notify sa mga vlog ko pa. Okay? And my nephew is helping me out this work. Hey, say hi to my viewers. Hi! Mag-hi ka. Ayan, nahiya siya guys.
I'm on the other side. You're like a full moon, and I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned.
So ayun, see you in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button here below. And see you!